Here's two super easy tricks you can use to multiply and divide any decimals. So in part A we're doing 45.3 times 0.62. Now to multiply decimals, what we do is we multiply them as if the decimals weren't even there. So that would be 453 times by 62. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply 2 by each of the numbers one by one for a start. So 2 times 3 gives us 6. 2 times 5 gives us 10, so we put the 0 there and carry the 1. 2 times 4 gives us 8, add on the 1, gives you 9. Now we then move across and do 6 times the numbers on the top. Now because we're moving across by 1, what we're going to do here is put a 0 below. And then 6 times 3 gives you 18. 6 times 5 gives you 30, add the 1 gives us 31, so the 1 goes there and the 3 gets carried over. And then 6 times 4 gives us 24, add on the 3 gives us 27. Now we then add these two together to get the result. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 8 is 8, 9 plus 1 is 10, 7 with our 1 carried over is going to be 8, and then we just got a 2. Now here's the simple trick. When you're multiplying two numbers together, the amount of digits that appear after the decimal in the original problem will match the amount of digits that appear after the decimal at the end. So what I mean by that is you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 digits in total that appear after the decimal. So that means there's going to be 1, 2, 3 numbers that appear after the decimal at the end, which means the decimal place has to go right there. So it'd be 28.086 would be our final answer. Okay, part B, 2.76 divided by 1.2. Now our go-to method for dividing is bus stop method. So we've got 2.76 divided by 1.2. Now the problem when we're dividing decimals is you don't really want to have a decimal on the outside of the bus stop because it's not going to be easy to think about how many 1.2s go into something. So here's a simple trick when you're dividing decimals. What we do is we slide this decimal one place along to make that a 12. And the golden rule here is we also have to do the exact same thing to the number inside the bus stop. As long as we do the same thing to the number outside and inside the bus stop, our final answer actually remains unchanged. So this would now be 12, and this will be 27.6. So 12s into 2 goes 0 times, carry the 2 over. 12s into 27, or 2 lots of 12 is 24, so that goes in twice with a remainder of 3. Keep the decimal in the same place. And 12s into 36 now, that's just 3 times. And we got our final answer of 2.3. And remember, as long as you do the same to the inside and the outside of the bus stop, the final answer remains unchanged. So the answer is 2.3. Here's some for you to try. Pause the video and give them a go.